ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಪತ್ನಿ ಭವಾನಿಯವರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಳೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡುವ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ಮುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಸೀರೆಯ ಪಿನ್ ಕಿತ್ತು ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾವು ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಟಾಪ್, ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ಕಿರುಕುಳ ಒತ್ತಡಗಳಿಂದಾಗಿ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅವರ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕೋಪಗೊಂಡ ಅವರು ನಾನು ವಾಸವಿದ್ದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರನ್ನು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿದ್ದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿಸಿ ಕಿರುಕುಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓದಿದ್ದು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ 28/4. The offense is 1 under section 354 capital A and D. Have a look at 354D, no, even otherwise.
Stalking.
ಅಲ್ವೇ? ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? No, if my lord permits me.
You were stalking her.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ SPP ಇದ್ರು.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು SPP ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. Taking undue advantage of the fact, my lord, I was not having the benefit or the advantage of an interim order. Showed bar for registration of crime.
What bar, sir?
Yes, my lord, the crime is registered for an offense under section 354 capital A and 354 capital D.
Yes.
The maximum punishment that is prescribed under the statute is 3 years.
Oh, 468.
460. My lord, what the Supreme Court has said is 468 not only applies for the purpose of taking cognizance, even for the purpose of registration of the crime also it applies.
No. It does not apply for purpose of taking of cognizance. Only for the registration of the crime.
Presentation again. Complaint. Ashte.
Only for the registration.
Let us ignore
cognizance can be taken 10 years later. But complaint should be preferred within limitation.
That is the duty of the court, cognizance. So, is the duty of the party.
Court committing an error.
Without going into the merits of the matter, I am just making this submission.
Yes. Really?
Ashte. Well, your lordship may kindly say, take
the charge sheet is filed on 23.
Merely because the charge sheet is filed.
No, that's all right. We'll answer. Yes.
Charge sheet is filed on 23/8.
Well, would your lordship kindly turn to.
And the investigation is complete. I'll place the charge sheet.
What is it?
ಅದೇ 4 ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅದೇನಾ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ
ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Stalking ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Well, without going into the merits of the matter, let us not go into the merits of the matter.
354 is punishable by 3 years.
Maximum is 3 years. Even 354D is also punishable maximum with 3 years. How the Supreme Court has said, if necessary, I shall invite my lords, otherwise no. Any number of judgments the Supreme Court is.
Sarah Matthew.
Yes.
2014 Constitution bench judgment. Para 39.
Oh.
Yes.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2021 ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಆತ್ಮಾರಾಮ್. ಆತ್ಮ ಏನದು?
ಚೆಮಿನೋವಾದಲ್ಲಿ
ಚೆಮಿನೋವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2022 ಒಂದಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಭಾರತ್ ದಾಮೋದರ್. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ವಾಜಿ.
ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅವರು 2022 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಾರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಯೂ.
And this honorable court, coordinate bench of this honorable court would say, even your lordship's judgment is there. Even 2 years delay in filing the complaint would speak volumes about the conduct.
No, that is on the merit of the matter, not on the limitation.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇದೆ 4 years. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
Yes, sir.
506
ನಾನ್ ಕಾಗ್ನೈಸಬಲ್.
506 ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Page 17.
No.
ಇದೆ 509, 506, 509.
506 ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನ್ ಕಾಗ್ನೈಸಬಲ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
506 ನೋಡಿ.
ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, page 24 minutes. Have a look at page 24. ನೀವು ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕದ್ರಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
506 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಗ್ನೈಸಬಲ್.
ಎರಡು
ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ?
7 years.
506
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಉಂಟಾ ಸರ್?
7 years.
Yes.
It can't be non-cognizable then.
ಇಲ್ಲ, it is 3 years.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
But if the threat to cause death or grievous hurt, and the threat be to cause death or grievous hurt, or to cause the destruction of any property by fire, or to cause offense punishable with death or imprisonment for life, or with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years,
Quite right.
or with to impute unchastity to a woman, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a
You're right.
term which may extend to
Let
7.
him point out a
506 is there.
single sentence.
Then it, limitation would not become applicable.
Yes, let him point out a single sentence.
So limitation is out.
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ 3 years ಗೆ 468 will not become applicable if it's an amalgam of offences which are punishable more than.
ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ 506 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಓದಿದ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರು.
ಅದು no, you said the crime is registered on the basis of the complaint.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Case registered ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
investigation is completed. We
No, my
have
lord.
collected.
Kindly go to page 23.
ಅಲ್ಲ page 17 ಯಾವುದು?
ಅವ್ರು
Crime
ಏನಾದ್ರು
number 107 ಯಾವುದು?
FIR is there. Kindly go to page 17 first.
17 is 506, 502
ಹೌದು.
ಎರಡು ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 506, 509.
They have put the section, that's all.
ಅಲ್ಲ
I'm sorry.
putting the section will lead to limitation or otherwise. Now the section is 506
ಹೌದು.
which is punishable.
No, 3 years maximum. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
If threat be to cause death or grievous hurt.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಅವ್ರು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
Part 2 ಹೌದು. It's compound.
Wherever chastity of a woman is involved,
Yeah, that's what.
automatically it attracts 7 years. And the offense is such a heinous offense.
ಹೌದು.
It's not an ordinary one.
So limitation ಬರೋದು.
ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮಾಡಿ.
Any day.
We'll take it on 12th. So it was a question of limitation, then we would have closed.
Well, it comes merely because they have put this section.
That's a different thing. Now, whether the complaint was entertainable or not.
Yes.
Qua limitation is on the basis of the offences so alleged.
Quite right.
If the offence
But
is 354 A and D, it is 3 years.
What I would submit to your lordship is, the crime has got to be registered for a particular offense in the event of that offense being disclosed in the
That's all
complaint.
right. That is
In the
on the merit of the crime.
ಹೌದು.
A complaint so
ಹೌದು.
registered.
ಹೌದು.
Limitation will not spring in.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈಗ supposing they put it as 302.
That's all right. Then we will not go on limitation. Whether there is merit in that complaint or not, we will see. That's a different. Now charge sheet is filed, we will see that.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I have sought for the quashing of the FIR.
Quashing of the FIR
ಹೌದು.
on the ground that it does not make out an offense.
ಹೌದು.
Or on limitation what you
ಹೌದು.
submitted.
ಹೌದು. Both.
ಎರಡು
Both.
ground ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Now to answer on the merit of the matter, there is a charge sheet filed already. We will examine that also.
So what the Supreme Court has said is, when a party approaches the High Court invoking its jurisdiction under 482, seeks for the quashing of the first information report, what needs to be seen by the High Court is whether the policeman is justified in registering the crime for that offense on the strength of the allegations that are found or made in the complaint, whether that would constitute the offense or not.
No problem.
Now, my lord, what the Supreme Court would further say is, the court is not required to even advert to the statement that is recorded under section 161. May I just
No,
point out the
that is
judgment?
one. If you see the latest judgment of the Supreme Court
Please.
in Abhishek versus State of Uttar Pradesh, 2023 SCC online SC page 1083, Supreme Court says when the crime is challenged before the court and when the matter comes up for its consideration, by then if the charge sheet is filed, if an interim order is subsisting, the court will not send the petition away on the ground that charge sheet is filed. It would
That's it.
examine the charge sheet also and then arrive at the merit of the matter. So I will look into the charge sheet also.
Please.
Supreme Court does not say that the court should not look into the charge sheet at all.
No.
That is judgment in
In fact,
Abhishek.
even the
case.
Supreme Court goes to the extent of saying the attendant circumstances needs to be seen if it were to inure to the
Yes,
benefit of the accused.
Yes. So that is exactly what the Supreme Court says, that charge sheet to Kodi will see.
Okay.
Yes.
But it's good.
List on 12th.
12th.
Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel C.V. Nagesh appearing for the petitioner and the special counsel. special counsel,
Special public prosecutor.
special public prosecutor, Professor Ravi Verma Kumar, representing the state, lists the matter on 12th.
Could it be on the next date?
Fifth.
Some matters are already. fixed.
Fifth, We'll have it on
Fifth or fifth.
fifth.
ಅಲ್ಲ 12th ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ
All-
12th
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್
ನಿಮಗೆ
ಇದೆಯಂತೆ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಬೇಡ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು,
ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ
ಫಿಫ್ತ್
All
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
right, whenever you want.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೇ ಸ್ಪಿಲ್ ಓವರ್.
No, fifth, I have lot of matters, sir. Yes. Then we'll take it on 19th.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
List
But
on
in the
19th.
meantime, let not the trial court proceed further in the matter,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
because
ಅದು-
cognizance has not been taken. The
ಈಗ
court has not
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
taken cognizance at all.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ,
ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ,
All right.
ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಮನ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದು,
ಅಲ್ಲ, let the court halt ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Cognizance person, then.
Huh?
Cognizance has not been taken yet.
Not been
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ,
taken.
ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Cognizance is not taken.
Cognizance taking.
He will have another innings.
No.
Summons
Another
being
innings.
issued. All right, we are hearing the matter.
Yes, that's it.
All right, the concerned court shall not, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Record further proceedings.
The concerned court shall not record further proceedings on till the next date of hearing.
Please be taken, my lord, not.
ಅದೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನಾನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Yes. Whether it makes out an offense or not, we'll see. But no limitation.
Till 19.
No.
Till
We
19.
will examine.
Sir is right in limitation.
ಅಲ್ಲ interim order till 19.
Till 90, till next
Please.
date ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Till next date, yes.
Obliged.